Now that I can see the mass in 3D and spin around, I realize that over here on the north corner of the building, I'd like to cut away some of the mass that I've already created. Let's switch back to the level 1 floor plan. And I'm talking about this corner right here. You can't see the CAD data anymore because the mass is obscuring it. Right here you can be in Show Mass or Show Shell modes. When you're looking at the mass, you see the entire volume of it. In Shell mode, you see only the perimeter walls in plan view. So let's zoom in closer to this corner that I'm talking about. And we'll add a cut mass. This will subtract a volume away from the mass that we've already built. And I'll cut with an extrusion. And I'll draw in a rectangle starting in this corner and going over here to the corner of the mass. And I'll say Finish Sketch. And that cut away the mass and created a new perimeter, or a new shell. Let's look at it in 3D. Right now we have the default 3D view name, which is 3D in brackets. Let's rename that. I'll right click on it and say Rename, and I'll call it Isometric, or ISO number 1. And you can see over here that my cut mass has cut away the shell. I can switch to shell mode, and you can see that it has a ceiling, walls, and a floor. So you can toggle between these modes at any time. Let's go back to Show Mass, and we'll save the work at this point.